Intro music. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract success, love, and wealth effortlessly? It's almost as if they have a secret formula that the rest of us are missing out on. The secret lies in the power of affirmations. These simple yet powerful statements can transform your life in ways you never imagined. In this video, I'll teach you how to craft the perfect affirmation to manifest anything you desire, easily and effectively. Let's get started. Whether you want to attract more wealth, love, or success, these tips will help you unlock your full potential. Affirmations are powerful, positive statements that reprogram your subconscious mind. They work by replacing negative thoughts with positive ones, helping you to focus on what you want rather than what you don't want. The words you say and believe shape your reality. This is because your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's imagined. Science proves that our thoughts affect our emotions, actions, and ultimately our results. When you change your thoughts, you change your life. Think about it. If you constantly say, "I am unlucky," your mind believes it and you start noticing bad things happening. This creates a self-fulfilling prophecy where your negative thoughts bring about negative outcomes. But if you say, "I attract success effortlessly," your mind shifts to find opportunities. You start to see possibilities where you once saw obstacles. Now let's dive into how to create the perfect affirmation. Crafting the right affirmation is key to making it work for you. Step 1. Use the present tense. This is crucial because your brain responds best to statements that are framed as if they are happening right now. Your brain responds best when you speak as if you already have what you want. This creates a sense of immediacy and urgency. Instead of saying, "I will be wealthy," say, "I am wealthy." This subtle shift in language makes a big difference. Step 2. Keep it positive and clear. Your affirmations should be straightforward and free of any negative words. Avoid negative words. Instead of saying, "I'm not broke," say, "I attract wealth easily." This keeps your focus on what you want to achieve. Step 3. Make it emotional and personal. The more emotion you put into your affirmations, the more powerful they become. Feel the words, say them with excitement and confidence. This emotional charge helps to embed the affirmation into your subconscious mind. Instead of saying, "I am successful," say, "I am wildly successful, and opportunities flow to me effortlessly." This adds a layer of vivid imagery to your affirmation. Step 4. Be specific. The more specific your affirmation, the better. Instead of a general statement like, "I am rich," be specific. This helps your mind to focus on a clear goal. Try, "I am making $10,000 per month doing what I love." This gives your mind a clear target to aim for. Want faster manifestation? Use affirmations at the right time. Timing can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your affirmations. Morning routine. Start your day with powerful words. This sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. Mirror method. Say affirmations while looking into your eyes. This creates a deeper connection with your subconscious mind. Before bed, your subconscious is most active before sleep. This is the perfect time to reinforce your affirmations. Try these powerful affirmations daily. Consistency is key to making affirmations work for you. Money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. This affirmation helps to attract financial abundance. I am surrounded by love and my relationships thrive. This affirmation fosters loving and supportive relationships. I am confident, strong, and unstoppable. This affirmation boosts your self-confidence and inner strength. Now it's your turn. Comment below your favorite affirmation and start manifesting today. Share your journey with us and inspire others. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful manifestation tips. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you.